video for you today. I was just working on some little pouches for a graduation party. This is a great idea for a graduation party. I found this file on Design Bundles and I've cut it out of some heat transfer vinyl. So I'm doing some gold and I've got some pink metallic there and I've got some rainbow. I think they look really cute. The gold foil, which is the heat transfer material that I've cut out with my cutter. When you're cutting this foil, you need to do your design in reverse, and this is the side that you're cutting on. So I'm just weeding through these 12 pouches. After I've weeded all of these, I will come back and show you how to heat press these. Welcome back. Today I'm going to heat press all of these 2020 Tribe pouches. I have my Cricut press set up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the little pouch and I just warm it up for a couple of seconds to get any crinkles out. Then I get my design up the right way. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now I'll just cover that over with a Teflon sheet and start my pressing. And we'll just give this a little minute just to cool down. Great, okay, now we'll just cover this again and just give it a quick little press just to make sure everything's stuck well. There's our gold case. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.